Good morning, George Hepworth, Grover Park Consulting. I made a mistake, a fairly important one. In the two most recent videos I uploaded to YouTube on optimizing access interfaces for remote SQL Server and SQL Azure, I inadvertently left my access interface connected to a local development copy of the SQL Server database rather than reconnecting it to the hosted SQL Server database, which I intended to use to demonstrate the techniques. That resulted in a dilemma. The actual performance isn't that significant. In fact, that's why I missed the mistake in doing the presentation. I didn't notice that it was ever so slightly faster. However, given that the premise of both videos was optimizing performance for a remote SQL Server, I felt it was important to correct the mistake. I've pulled down both videos from YouTube and will re-record both of them using the correct hosted SQL Server database as the back end. Those videos will take several hours to recreate, although they should go faster than the initial versions, since I've already done it once. I'll also take advantage of this opportunity to include a couple of recent enhancements to the code that I figured out in the meantime. In the meantime, my apologies, and I hope that you will stay tuned for the replacement videos when I get them updated and uploaded in the next few days. Thank you.